Here in the MSI, it's my favorite place. We are working with these guys more than 15 years, I guess, and they are full service company. They have floor, they have wall, they have mosaic, they have stone, but today we are focusing on their quartz, which is very important for us. Okay, now we are in the MSI, my favorite place. Look how beautiful selection they have. I'm gonna show you top 5 MSI stone trend this year, 2026. Number 5, Calacatta Lazar. This is actually in my house, Calacatta Lazar. Number 4, Calacatta Oro. That is a little gold copper. So this summer, metal elements going in this stone. So I like. Number 3, Calacatta Prado. Maybe famous Prado Museum in Spain. Number 2, Calacatta Vernello. And number 1, Calacatta Sinela. This is the hot stone for this summer. Only additional plus benefit in MSI, they have also natural stones. And guess what is the most spectacular, popular, trendy stone today? Taj Mahal. And if we are looking for Taj Mahal, this is the right place. MSI is number 1 in the Taj Mahal. Look, I'm gonna show you 2 options. Option 1, a real Taj Mahal, real quartzite. Option 2, looks like Taj Mahal, but it is quartz, means more affordable. You will decide which one is better, but first, organic Taj Mahal. Beautiful God creation, very sophisticated, very strong, very organic, very natural, and top seller, Taj Mahal. And look at this. When we are talking about the natural stone, every slabs are different from each other. Like a golden retriever. It's a golden retriever, but every puppies doesn't look like each other. Same. This is Taj Mahal. This is also Taj Mahal. Look at the differences. My customers, if you are choosing Taj Mahal, I am sending them this facility, this showroom, and they will reserve their own stone. So come here. Let's choose your stone. Another Taj Mahal. How beautiful. Some of it is dark yellow, some of it is dark green. Look at this number 4 is Taj Mahal. The first one is earth tone brownish, second one is grayish, and this one is more green. But all of them is Taj Mahal family. And number 5 is my favorite. This is leather finish Taj Mahal. It isn't polished, it is leather finish. It's gorgeous and it's my favorite. I would definitely, if it is my kitchen, I will go with this one. If you come to MSI Long Island, you will see on the right side natural stone Taj Mahals. On the left side, quartz Taj, which means it looks like Taj Mahal, more affordable, but making from the quartz, not from quartzite. God creation, man creation. Look, Marifi Taj, looks like Taj Mahal. Another one more like the Luma Taj, Taj Mahal. Aura Taj, this is also beautiful. We have one more Taj Mahal, looks like quartz, all the way other side. I'm gonna show it to you. And my favorite quartz look like Taj Mahal is this Solitage. They have 2 finishes, polish and brushed. And I love it brushed. How it made me this. Now, after Taj Mahal, I'm gonna show it to you market stones, which means these stones are not timeless. Sometimes you can find a beautiful stones in couple years and then they disappear because these are rare stones. They called exotic. So now I'm gonna show it to you MSI exotic stones. Look at how beautiful natural stone. Cristal will continue maybe 4 years and then it will die because why? There will be not enough stones available in the earth. But these are also beautiful quartzites. Cristals. Oh, I love this crystal gold. These are all quartzites. Denali, Cristallo, Audacia. Very exotic. Blue room. Wow. Quartzites, granite. On this selection, you will see granite stones. Granite also natural stone, not creation. Very beautiful. You will see. I love it so, but busy. So if you like busy tone, you can use granite or quartz. Doesn't matter. But I prefer Solaris, my favorite brand.